Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please leave a like. Welcome to this tutorial on how to turn off the Do Not Disturb feature on your iPhone. Do Not Disturb is a useful setting that silences incoming calls, messages, and notifications when you want to avoid interruptions. Let's go through the steps to disable it. First thing we can do is access our control center. We can do that by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen if you are using iPhone X and newer models, and swipe up from the bottom of the screen if you are using iPhone 8 and older models. Now we are in the control center. You can see here Do Not Disturb as it has a moon icon beside it. Tap on it to disable Do Not Disturb. Congratulations! You've successfully turned off the Do Not Disturb feature on your iPhone. Remember to enable it again when you want to utilize this helpful setting. Enjoy using your iPhone without any interruptions. Thank you for watching!